When it comes to boosting your home's value in Clinton Township, replacing your old windows might not be the first upgrade that comes to mind, but it should be. New windows not only enhance curb appeal but also significantly improve energy efficiency, safety, and overall comfort. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to invest in your property's long-term value, new windows are a smart and rewarding improvement. Enhanced curb appeal that attracts buyers. First impressions are everything in real estate. Outdated, damaged, or drafty windows can make your home look neglected, even if the interior is pristine. On the other hand, new, modern windows instantly update your home's exterior appearance. With a wide range of styles, from double-hung and casement to bay and picture windows, homeowners in Clinton Township can choose designs that complement both traditional and contemporary homes. Buyers often notice windows first. Clean lines, bright frames, and large panes give a sense of openness and modern living. This instant visual impact can make your home stand out in a competitive real estate market and even increase its perceived value. Energy efficiency that pays off. One of the most appealing aspects of new windows for both homeowners and potential buyers is energy efficiency. Older windows tend to leak air, which forces your HVAC system to work harder. This can lead to higher heating and cooling bills, something buyers are quick to calculate. Installing energy-efficient windows with features like double or triple panes, argon gas fills, and low-E coatings can dramatically reduce energy loss. In Clinton Township, where cold winters and hot summers are the norm, energy-saving windows can translate into hundreds of dollars in annual savings. In fact, many buyers are willing to pay more for a home with certified energy-efficient upgrades that reduce long-term costs. Increased natural light and comfort. Modern windows are designed to let in more natural light without sacrificing insulation. This means you can enjoy brighter indoor spaces that feel more inviting, without dealing with uncomfortable temperature swings or UV damage to furniture and flooring. For homeowners in Clinton Township, where winters can be long and gray, more daylight can make a big difference in mood and ambiance. Homes that feel warmer and more welcoming are naturally more attractive to buyers, making new windows a functional upgrade with emotional appeal. Better security and noise reduction. Security is another major factor in home value. New windows come with enhanced locking systems, tempered glass, and durable frames that make it harder for intruders to gain access. Homebuyers are increasingly concerned about safety, and having high-quality windows can provide peace of mind. Additionally, many of today's replacement windows include soundproofing technology. For homes near busy roads or commercial areas in Clinton Township, reduced noise levels can greatly improve the quality of life, and thus, the home's value. Higher ROI than you'd expect. Window replacement consistently ranks among the top home improvement projects with a high return on investment, ROI. According to industry estimates, homeowners can expect to recoup up to 70 to 80% of the cost of new windows when selling their home. When you factor in energy savings and improved livability, the value proposition becomes even stronger. In a growing market like Clinton Township, homes with recent upgrades tend to sell faster and closer to asking price. Buyers are looking for move-in ready properties, and new windows signal that the home has been cared for and thoughtfully updated. Final thoughts. Replacing your windows is more than just a cosmetic change. It's an investment in your home's value, comfort, and efficiency. For Clinton Township homeowners, it's a smart move that can make your property more appealing to buyers while also delivering immediate benefits for your daily life. If you're thinking about upgrading your home, start with the windows. You'll be surprised how much value and beauty they can add.